Hi guys, welcome to Example. In today's class, we are going to solve a new problem. So let's move into the question. So the solution is, so before moving to the solution, just analyze the question once. So the question is here 3 to the power of a value, 27 to the power of a value. So it has power on each number. So what we have to do is, first we need to learn what the relationship between these number. So in order to know the relationship, what you need to know? You need to know the multiples. Then only you can able to connect with one root to another root. So in order to know the multiples, what we have to do? We need to take LCM. So let's start with LCM. So first I'm going to take this power, that is root 288, which is equal to, we need to find the equivalent. For that I move to the LCM. 288, this will comes into table 144. By seeing itself we can conclude 12 square is equal to 144. Therefore 12, 12, 12, 1. Therefore root 12 square into 2, which is equal to root 12 square into root 2, which is equal to 12 root 2. Therefore the equivalent for 288 is 12 root 2. So let's highlight this. So next is root 98. So I'm going to take root 98 here. So I'm going to take LCM for that. This will comes into table. 4 2s are 8, balance 1, 9. By seeing itself we know 7 square is equal to 49. So 7 into 7, 7, 1. Therefore taking root 7 square into 2, which is equal to root 7 square into root 2. Square and root get cancelled. Therefore root 98 is equal to 7 root 2. So let's highlight this also. Now I'm going to take this root 8. So the root 8 equivalent is, obviously we need to find LCM to know that. So 4 2s are 8 and 2 2s are 4, 2, 1. So 2 square into 2. 2 square into 2 is equal to root of 2 square into root 2. Square and root get cancelled. Therefore root 8 is equal to 2 root 2. So just highlight this also. So just substitute this value in place of its value. Okay. So first, before solving this, I am going to write the question here. The question is 3 power root 288 into 27 to the power of root 98 divided by 81 to the power of root 8 to the power of root 2 by 100. So this is for the given question. Just apply that value here. Therefore it is equal to 3 power 12 root 2 into 27 power 7 root 2 divided by 81 power 2 root 2 to the power of 12 by 100. Okay. So we found the relation between power. The next step is we need to learn the relation between the base number, that is 3, 27 and 81. So we know that 3 power 1 is equal to 3, 3 power 3 is equal to 27 and 3 power 4 is equal to 81. Is it? So just apply this, substitute this number in the place of its values. Therefore which is equal to 3 power 12 root 2, there is no change in that. 27 is equal to 3 cube. So 3 cube to the power of 7 root 2 divided by 81 is equal to 3 power 4. So 3 power 4 to the power of 2 root 2 to the power of root 2 by 100. So we know a rule, that is a power m, the whole power n can be written as a power m plus n. So just apply this rule in the place of this and this. Okay. So therefore this becomes, which is equal to 3 power 12 root 2 into 3 power, this becomes 3 into 7 root 2 divided by 3 power 4 into 2 root 2 to the power of root 2 by 100. Okay. Now g is equal to 312 root 2 into 3 power 3 sevens are 21 root 2 divided by 3 power 4 twos are 8 root 2 to the power of root 2 by 100. So we know the another rule to solve this is a power m into a power n. Here the base is same and power is different. Similarly, the base is same, power is different means g is equal to a power m plus n. Is it? So it's the important formula, and this is also the important formula. Okay. So just apply this formula in the place of here. Therefore g is equal to 3 power. The power get added. Therefore 12 root 2 plus 21 root 2 divided by 3 power 8 root 2 to the power of root 2 by 100. So 12 plus 21 is equal to 33. Is it? Therefore g is equal to 3 power 33. Root 2 is common between this, so I am going to write that as it is, divided by 3 power 8 root 2 to the power of root 2 by 100. So if we see here, this is in multiplication. If this is in addition means its power get changed. That is a power m by a power n can be written as a power m minus n. So just apply this rule here. Therefore this becomes g is equal to 3 power 33 root 2 minus 8 root 2 to the power of root 2 by 100. So 33 minus 8 is equal to, so 33, 8, 2 times 1, 2 plus 3, 5, 25. Okay, therefore g is equal to 3 power 25 root 2 to the power of root 2 by 100. Okay, so now this is in the format of a power m to the power n, g is equal to a power m into n. So this becomes 3 power 25 root 2 into root 2 by 100. So g is equal to 3 power 25, which is equal to, that is 25 into root 2 into root 2 divided by 100. Is it? So which is equal to 25 into 2 divided by 100, which is equal to 50 by 100. 50 by 100 means 0 get cancelled, 1 5 is by 2. Therefore which is equal to 1 by 2. So this will be substituted as 1 by 2. So 3 power 1 by 2 can be written as root 3. So both are equal. The answer is 3 power 1 by 2 or root 3. So the complicated sums gives the simple answer as root 3. So practice twice and twice, then you will get a perfect answer. Have a nice day. Bye bye.